Hi, grade 11s and 12s. Guys, I want us to go and look at some exponential equations. As you can see on the screen, we've got some questions, some challenges we'll need to work with. I just want to go and pick up the few so that next time then I'll do the others. For now, I'll have to go and choose. Firstly, let me see which one can I do. Let me do number. Let me do F. Let me do F firstly. Okay. Let me do F. I'll start with F. Some would say it's easy, some won't say. They will have to make sure that they pay attention, they see what's going on there. Okay, F will be here. So doing F, firstly, the first thing you need to divide both sides by 7. You need to divide both sides by this 7. Okay, you divide both sides by 7, you're going to get 9 to the power x equals to 1. And any number to the power 0 is 1, you know that. So you will have to make sure you go after there, and you go after there base on the left, which is 9, meaning that here should be 9 to the power 0, and the answer at last will be 0. So the answer there will be 0. Let me move on. Let me go and take H. I'll go and take H. Yes, H. Okay, of H, please make sure that you have the same base on both sides, left and right. So what you can do on the left, you can't do anything, but on the right you can go and change this half. You can write it nicely. Firstly, let's do this. This is our very first step. We can say 2 to the power 2x plus 2 equals to half all this to the power 2x minus 4. Okay, then now on the left still will remain the way it is, 2 to the power x plus 2 equals to, on the right will be 2 to the power negative 1, all this to the power 2x minus 4. Then if you have this, then you'll have to multiply negative just outside here. All right, let's multiply. We're going to have 2 to the power 2x plus 2, then will be 2 to the power negative 2x plus 4. You'll have to drop the base, same base, you equate the exponent. You're going to get 2 to the power x plus 2. This will be negative 2x plus 4. Then you'll have to transpose negative 2x onto the left to have 2x plus 2x, and to take 2 onto the right, you're going to have 4 minus 2, and this all in all we're going to get 4x, which is equals to 2, and at last this will be a half. This will be a half. Okay, that will be half. So make sure you understand my methods there. If not, please get back to me. I'll try and emphasize or tell you more about the methods. All right, now let's move on, and let me go and pick I. Let me go and pick I. Let me pick I. Pick I. Need the new page. Check this out. Onto new page. So we have 25. We have 25.2 to the power x equals to 4.5 to the power x. So we can group the variables on the left. Let's say 2 to the power x can divide here by 5 to the power x. Then I divided by 5 to the power x so that I could have the x this side. All right, now let me go and divide by 25 there. I'm going to have 4 all over 25. Then this is the same as 2 over 5, all this to the power x, and there will be 2 over 5 square. So you have the same base. Having the same base, you divide there. You take them out. You equate what? The exponents. You equate the exponents. Okay. Equate the exponent. Let's go and look at number 7. Let's go and look at number 7. So as for number 7, we'll have to firstly break down the exponents here. We break them down. This is what we're going to have: 7 to the power x dot 7 to the power negative 2, and on the right we're going to have 2 to the power x dot 2 to the power negative 2. Then having this, we can say, okay, we can divide. Firstly, we can divide both sides. We can make sure that we get rid of 2 to the power x by dividing both sides by 2 to the power x. Let me show you here. 2 to the power x, even here 2 to the power x. And now we're going to have 7 to the power x dot 7 to the power negative 2 all over 2 to the power x equals to 2 to the power negative 2. So I'll have to make sure I get rid of this by dividing both sides by 7 to the power negative 2. So I'll have on the left, I'll remain with this 7 to the power x, 2 to the power x, and on the right I'm going to have 2 to the power this one all over 7 to the power this one. Okay, so let me work something out. We're going to have 7 over 2, all this I can take out the x. Even here I can say, okay, I will have 2 over 7 to have negative 2 there. This is the same as 7 over 2, all this to the power x equals to 7 over 2, then to have the positive exponent. you have the same base, you equate the exponent, then x will be equals to positive 2. Okay. So the next one we're going to do number I'll choose L. Let's do L. Let's do L. So let's do this one, L. Going to have it here. So L will also be easy. The only challenge we have is this part, if you remember well. So this will be p to the power 2x dot p to the power negative x plus 3 equals to p to the power 2 over 3. Okay, so from there, your left hand side, you're going to add the exponent. So this is the same as plus minus, which is minus x plus 3. Okay, and the right hand side will be p2 over 3. So you're going to leave out the base, you equate the exponent. 2x minus x will be x plus 3. You equate to 2 over 3, and this will be x equals to 2 over 3 minus 3. At last, the answer will be negative 7 over 3. Okay, that's the answer. Make sure you understand it, guys. If you don't understand, don't be afraid to get back to me, then I'll help you further. Okay, let's move on. Let's go and have at least 2 more questions. Let's have P and R. Let's have P and R. So we'll start with P. Let's have P here. So here's P. The very first thing you're going to do, you'll have to remove this 3 by dividing both sides with that 3. You can have cube root x equals to 8, because 24 divided by 3 is 8. Then you'll have to rewrite, say, or I'll have to cube both sides, or rewrite. Yes, I can cube both sides. I can do like this: cube root x, cube both sides like this. Then x will then be, let's see, 60, won't be 64, but 128 if I'm not mistaken. Let's check though. So 8 to the power 3. 8 to the power 3. 5. The answer is 5. 12. So the answer is 5. 12. Okay. And the last one for today, guys, let's go and do R, just R. Then for today, that will be it. Okay. Let's do R. So I'm going to have R here. So what we need to do, we need to make sure we apply the reciprocal of this. The reciprocal of that 4 over 3 will be 3 over 4. So we're going to multiply both sides as what? We're going to multiply here by 3 over 4 and also the whole base by 3 over 4. Okay, so let's do that now. We're going to say x 4 over 3 multiplied by 4 over 3. 4 multiplied by 3 over 4. Okay, even the 16 is the same as 2 to the power 4 and 81. This is whereby we're going to solve without the use of calculator, right? So here will be 3 to the power 4. All this will be this. Then the answer here will be x equals to 2 over 3, because the 4 will cancel here and the 4 will cancel there. So you're going to have 2 over 3, all this to the power 3. So at last, you'll say x equals to 8 over 27. And that will be it for today, guys. So always keep on practicing, okay? You'll get them right. You'll get them right. Don't be afraid to get back to me. Always make sure you bring questions to me. Bring different questions. Then I'll always work them for you. I'll help you out like that. Please do not forget to attempt first. Do not forget to attempt first. You can't know maths without attempting. You need to attempt the questions first. Then, if you're not sure, that is when you'll bring them to us. As I'm talking about the teachers, it can't be only Chavo. You can give anyone. You give anyone who you think the person who could help you. Then by so doing, then the person will be there to help. If you're not sure, then that is when you can also make sure you bring them to me. Then I'll help you just like that. Okay, for now, guys, we're done here. We're done until we meet again. I promise to record more videos for you. Do not forget to subscribe. Even call your friends to do so. Different friends from around the country. Then we shall do maths together. Okay, until we meet next time, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.